Welcome back to Bear County Court of Law number 6. And at this time, we're taking up the case of cause 679-513, State of Texas versus Edward Reyes, representative of Mr. Forrest Good. This is a motion to revoke community supervision. The first document I have in this case is entitled Defendant's Consent to Motion to Revoke Hearing by Video Conference. It purportedly has both Mr. Reyes and Mr. Good's signature on it. In fact, Mr. Reyes, is this your signature on this document, sir? And you have to turn your microphone back on, sir, and just say yes, if you would, please, if that's correct.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. And Mr. Good, as attorney for Mr. Reyes, this is also your signature on this document, sir.
It is Mary Peterzak's signature, who is the attorney of record. But
there you go. All right. Trial partner, Mary Petracek, and you can identify that as her signature, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Next document I have is entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, which is marked, quote, is a revocation of the defendant's community supervision, and the defendant has a right to appeal the court's actions revoking the community supervision, but not the underlying conviction. In fact, Mr. Reyes, is this your signature on this document also, sir?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. And Mr. Good, can you identify your trial partner, Ms. Petracek's signature on this document also?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. This is a motion to revoke community supervision. My understanding is this is going to be an uncontested motion to revoke community supervision. Is that correct, Mr. Good?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Reyes, in cause 679-513 on the motion to revoke community supervision, how do you plead, sir?
Yes, sir. Good. Yes.
Norman, true or not true, sir?
True.
Thank you. Ms. Gross, would you please advise the court and the parties of the status of Mr. Reyes' probation?
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Reyes has performed very poorly on probation. He attended intake on March 10th, 2022. He failed to report for his appointment in April. There's been no payments made. He has a balance of $1,030 and is currently $178 delinquent. We have no record of any of his 40 hours community service having been completed or his stress class. His criminal arrest history includes assault, bodily injury, family, assault, bodily injury, married, violation of a protective order ×3, assault, bodily injury, family, felony, second offense, assault, family, second offense, felony, assault, family, second offense. All three of those resulted in TDC sentences. Criminal mischief, 500 to 1,500, failed to identify to a police officer with a Texas warrant. Criminal trespass of a building, the instant offense, which is criminal mischief, 100 to 750. And he has 2 pending cases, one being evading arrest or detention and one indecent exposure. His officer is recommending revocation.
Do you have the amount of the original fine on this particular case?
$250.
250?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Good, what are you requesting?
I'm requesting that the court be lenient in their decision.
Okay.
My client is, in between a rock and a hard place. I believe that he has some very serious mental health issues. He is homeless. He has difficulty finding work, which is all things that lead to the situation that we're in now. Just request leniency from the court.
And state recommendation on Mr. Reyes?
Under the state is recommending revocation.
Mr. Reyes, in cause number 679-513, the court accepts your plea of true on the motion to revoke community supervision. I grant the state's motion to revoke your community supervision. I sentence you to 6 months in the Bear County Jail. It says a $250 fine plus court costs, credit for time served, time and money to run concurrent, recalling all pretrial services, bond conditions, and warrants. Anything further from the state of the defense on Mr. Reyes?
Nothing from the state, Judge.
Nothing from the defense, Your Honor.
Mr. Good, can you just tell Ms. Petracek if the new cases, I'll send them to jail court if we don't take care of them?
sending the new cases to jail court. I will let her know that.
Okay, good luck, Mr. Reyes, and thank you, Mr. Good.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay,
All right, Your Honor.
DA's